Hello, this is Swapnil from Gargoti near Kolhapur. I came here second time after 2 years. This is my like sixth day here. I came here for mainly Hashimoto uh, autoimmune disorder and right shoulder like ligament pain and just general wellness. Uh, I found it is like very useful, like uh, compared to other facilities or other doctors or like other wellness centers. And I would like to come at least like every year or like every like once in like 2 years. I My weight was like the 60 kg when I came, and now it is 56.8. Uh, I had like fast for 6 days. It was with Shivambu and water, and then I got like really nice treatment here, like massage, and then other like with the like earth and water. Yeah, I feel very energetic. Mainly, I liked yoga and pranayam sessions for which I came. uh, yeah, everyone should be aware and like take use of this facility for their wellness, overall wellness, as Dr. Nitin Patil sir says. Thank you.